Solution for project not showing iPhone simulators in Xcode SwiftUI Project. Open your project in Xcode. Only Mac is present for Run Destination. Click on Manage Run Destinations. We have a list of iOS simulators. If you do not see any items in the simulators, click on this plus button. Click on Download more simulator runtimes. We have already downloaded iOS simulator runtimes, but if you have not done that already, you would see a Get button. Click on it, and the iOS runtime will be downloaded. Close these windows. Select the project name from the Project Navigator, the left panel in Xcode. Select Build Settings tab. Change Base SDK to iOS. Now, select the Run destination. Click on iPhone 16. Run the project. The project runs on the selected iPhone 16. Thank you for watching. Please like the video.